What's smacking, beautiful people? I'm Brody from Boston, and this is High Chemical Romance. High Chemical Romance is a section on my channel where I quit Suboxone, antidepressants, gabapentin, anti-anxiety medication. We do it all here. We quit fucking cigarettes, and I've already done that. Cigarettes and vaping. Go check that video out. It's awesome. We quit bullshit fucking sugar and other shitty foods, and we give you guys good substitutes. And we just try to help people stay positive and stay healthy and change their lives for better. So what I've been doing is I go see my Suboxone doctor. I take a censored drug test for them. So that means that somebody's coming in the room and staring at my penis and watching me pee into a cup. After that, my cup is sent to a lab. A lab tests it, and then like a week or two later, I get the results printed out for me next time I go see my doctor. And there you go, I got my results, and I share my results with you guys. Later down the line, when I get closer to coming off this Suboxone, I'm going to be literally bringing you guys through what my drug test results look like, what's in it, what's positive, what's negative, and I hope it's beneficial to you guys, and it shows you guys a smart, safe TAPER plan and how to execute it to the best of your abilities. You know, I understand that some people can't get off these medications. Absolutely understand that. I'm not one of those people. I fully believe deep down in my heart that I can get off these medications. And for those people that can't get off the medications and are lifers to Suboxone, antidepressants, it's okay. But what I suggest for you is trying to taper your dose down to a low, comfortable dose. Because if you're taking high doses of these milligrams in substances, it's a lot. It's a lot for your body to process. And every time you do Suboxone, every time you take a pill, your body has to process it and break it down and actually use it to benefit itself. And when you keep throwing 8 milligram films in, like if somebody's on 8 milligrams, I strongly recommend within the next year, you go down to 4 milligrams instead of going up. Try to work on going down. That's what we try to do here. And your 4 milligrams, I promise, is going to be enough once you get acclimated and once your body gets used to it. So let's break it down what I'm on right now. So when I started these videos, I was on about 8 milligrams of Suboxone. Now I'm down to 5. And this is my check-in number 5. So last check-in, my levels, we'll just jump right into the levels because that's what the fuck you guys are here for. Okay, last check-in, so check-in 4, my levels were 64.7, okay? And that was on 5 milligrams, and that's tapering down, and it's not going too bad. Yeah, I did have a rough time last check-in, but I stuck it out. I kept doing what I gotta do. Sorry if my dog's barking. He's an ass clown. He's an ass clown. Sorry if, you know, I looked like shit on my last one because I was really withdrawing. But my body is now acclimated to that dose, 5 milligrams, and I'm doing alright. Fucking, these dogs are going crazy.
That's it! Good boy!
Sorry. Okay, so yeah, so that's my level, 64.7, and I got my new results in today, and yes, they are here. Okay, wow, 59.8 ng/ml, 59.8 ng/ml. Wow, that's amazing. Broke into the 50s. Okay, so what have I been noticing? Okay, not much. I haven't dropped my dose yet, but I'm planning to go down from 5 to 4 milligrams within the next week or two, and I'm going to keep you guys absolutely updated on it. The main thing that you got to do when you're coming off these medications, I'm going to give you guys tips. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what to eat. So what you guys want to eat, all right? If you really want to make it as easy on yourself as possible, cut out the added sugar. A little bit of it, no big deal. You know, 1 can of Coke a day, no big deal. 1 can of Coke a day. For guys, you want to stay anywhere from 35 grams of sugar, added grams of sugar. And for women, you want to stay right around 25 to 28. And that's not the exact number, but that's what you want to be for added sugar. So what I do is I don't eat any added sugar in the morning. I stack it up all day long until right after dinner, and then I get myself some cookies or whatever, and I just go in. And that's what I do. That's my fucking shit. So, if you can plan your sugar right, and this isn't talking about fruit, because fruits are loaded with sugar, and these sugars are so much easier for your body to process and actually use them. Also, these fruits don't just have sugar in them. They have vitamins, they have fiber, and these all together make it a lot easier for your body to process. So if you were just to eat some of your homemade famous chocolate chip cookies that got a shit ton of sugar, whole flour, fucking, that white bullshit flour, and a bunch of fucking crystals and brown sugar and vanilla and maples, whatever. So if you guys eat those, this is what's happening. You eat it, and inside your stomach, it doesn't have the fiber, it doesn't have the vitamins that something else, it doesn't have the substance that a fruit would have. So it gets in there and it really clogs you up. And from what I feel like when I eat that shit, it feels like it turned into a solid rock in my stomach. And, I get constipated, it's shit. And then, yeah, it does give you some fucking energy, but you crash right after. It's like people who have coffee right when they wake up. It's dumb. It's dumb because your body is designed to wake up. And so what it does, your brain releases adrenaline into your body, into your muscles, saying, get up, let's go. It's time to fucking run around. So your body is going to use your natural adrenaline. So if I was you and you drink coffee, don't drink it right away. Drink it about an hour, hour and a half after you wake up, because that's when your adrenaline starts to come down. And then right when you're coming down, you got that coffee and you're going to go back up. I don't drink coffee. I don't need it. My energy is off the chains. Another smart thing that you can do to make this easier on yourself is some different vitamins. So do your research on them. You type in what helps, with opiate withdrawals, what helps with antidepressant withdrawals, what helps with sleeping, naturally. Everything you got to do should be natural. And if any of the natural stuff doesn't work, by all means, go to your doctor, ask for a prescription. But give those natural things a chance first, because you might be surprised on how healthy it is for you and how well it works. Because think about this. Humans have been on this planet for a long fucking time, okay? And we have not had Walgreens or pharmacies where we could just walk in and get a prescription. No. What we would have to do we would have to hunt the forest and forage around and find mushrooms or find wild plants that we can fucking crush up and you know what I mean, turn into this and ingest it or put it on our wounds and save infections on your finger. We've been doing it for a long time, okay? And now, for some reason, we got chemicals and fucking substances getting created in a lab and literally genetic molecule fucking switches. So they take a molecule, they take it, now it's not that anymore, now it's turned into a complete new substance. It's bullshit. We've been fixing ourselves for years, and if none of the natural stuff works, by all means go for it. Another thing that is definitely going to help you, and I know it sounds tough, but once you do it, it will work, I promise. Workout. Eat healthy, workout. Cut out those bullshit sugars. You take away that anti-inflammatory that was so damaging your body, because sugar makes your body very inflamed and it's sore and it's like a big bruise. Cut that bullshit out, add in some exercise. You got your posture coming back, you know what I'm saying? You stand up nice and straight. I'm not a big dude at all, but ever since I've been quitting these medications, I've been gaining muscle. And that's huge. I've always had trouble gaining muscle, and I think that has something to do with Suboxone and testosterone, or Suboxone and just muscle mass in general. I don't know the exact science, but I'm going to look into it. So yeah, that's kind of what happened to me. Once I started really coming off of it, I'm only on 5 fucking milligrams, and I'm starting to notice. So once I'm down to 1, my energy too is like, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like when you're on these drugs, you get so fucking muted. That's exactly what I could say. It's like you're the TV, I'm the controller, and I just go like this. Boop, 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 boop. And your volume just goes down, down, down. And that's what I can't say this for a fact, But I think there's some type of conspiracy that if they can make you okay with the substance and really calm you down and take away that Brody inside of you, that tiger that just wants to eat something, they take that away and you're okay with just sitting at home. You're okay with just being depressed and it just feels hopeless. So try to get off some of the medication. If you can't get off of it, that's fine. Lower your dose. It's going to save your life in the long run. It's going to give you more quality time with your family and add years onto your life. That's what I think. Same with smoking. So when you work out, highly suggest working out 30 minutes a day at least. Going for a walk a day at least. Especially right now when everybody's out of work, especially except for doctors who are... I take my hat off to the doctors. Thank you so much. I take my hat off to the doctors. Yeah, dude, come on. I don't get... This is what I look like with no hair and no haircut. Once I get a haircut, you guys are going to be amazed. You guys are going to be like, who the fuck is that? Yeah, dude, my barber, that fool can cut my fucking head. He knows how to cut my head. I'll be like, yo, does a mohawk look good on me, you think? He'll be like, dude, I can make a mohawk look good on you, bro. And he's such an interesting dude, bro. Jimmy, bro, from Trey's Barbershop in Medford. He's such an interesting dude. So, like, whenever I sit in his chair, we're always talking about Cosmos or different TV shows. Like, I can't wait to get a video of him just chopping my hair and us talking. Because what would get captured on my phone would be very interesting. I promise. Okay, so yeah, that's my check-in. I hope you guys found it interesting. 59.8 ng/ml. I'm stoked. I'm so close to my goal. And so I've been talking to one of my close friends from high school. And I noticed that he's trying to quit alcohol and cigarettes, but he wasn't into it like me. So I was like it ruined my life. So pills, Xanax, ruined my life. So what I would do, I'd break relationships. I'd steal from my family. And it wasn't me. I love my family to death, and I would do anything for them. But when I was getting high and I didn't have what I wanted, I would do anything to anybody. And that's just the case. And I'm sorry for anybody that I wronged, and I look forward to making it up to you in the future. What the fuck was I just getting into? Okay, so yeah, my friend from my old high school, he's quitting cigarettes and alcohol. And I'm trying to help him and assist him on it, but he's a young dude. He's hard-headed, and he keeps saying, all right, tomorrow I'm just going to quit cigarettes, and that's it. I'm never going to have another cigarette. And he goes all in, and there's nothing wrong with going all in. But it's a great fucking way to think. Let's go all in. But when you go all in and you fail, you lose your house. That's what sucks. And in this case, you lose a little bit of your pride, because your word means a lot, especially to you. When you tell yourself something, usually you do it. And when you tell yourself you're going to quit and you don't follow through with it, it really hits you hard, especially right in that gut, right in the back of your kidney. It hits you wicked hard. And you're like, ugh. So what I suggest for those people, don't go all in. Don't try to quit alcohol and cigarettes at the same time. It's stupid. Be smart about it. Do your research. Set a goal. And if you don't get to that goal, it's okay. Set another goal and try to stick with it. The act of trying to quit is what we're going for. If you can't quit the first time, don't give up. Because I guarantee you, you're going to get so fed up and you're going to just put your foot down and do it. That's exactly where I'm at right now. I've been on and off drugs for years, and it took a lot from me. So, you guys found this video helpful, informative, educational, please smash that like button. You don't know how much it's making me happy when you smash that like button. It's you saying, I liked the content that this kid's making. It's good. Thank you. Thanks anybody who smashed the like button on my fucking videos. You guys are the best. You guys are why I do this. Okay, also, if you guys want to share this video, share it to a drug addict, share it to somebody who's sad, share it to somebody who needs it, because they might need it. They could be in the middle of the ocean, in a fucking rowboat, and it's pitch black, and all you see is a lighthouse. And that lighthouse is your raft, your lifesaver. And it changes everything. Faith. Keep the faith. keep the positivity. That's me. I love being positive. Also, if you guys want to subscribe, you don't know how much that means to me that you want to subscribe. That's what I'm going for. That's going to help support me in making quality content for you. Okay, and then I also got some cool shit coming up within the next month or two. And I'll give you a hint right now. It involves streaming, live streaming. I'm talking about I'm building a PC that is very expensive, and I'm building it myself. So I'm going to know all about it. I'm going to be able to connect with you guys about it. I'm going to be able to chat with you guys on live stream, and that's my dream. I want to be able to connect with my audience, and I'm going to be gaming. I'm going to be playing Fortnite. I'm going to be going hard in Fortnite. I'm going to be playing other games too, because it's just not just Fortnite. Like, whoever just does Fortnite, you're going to get bored of it, and it's not going to be as fun. I'm going to be playing with fans. I'm not going to be the best in the world, but I'm going to make you laugh. I'm going to make you shit yourself. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, we got a lot of shit coming up. I got some good shit planned. It'll be right here. And then right beside it is going to be a notification bell. You click that and you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. That'll mean a lot. And then, if you guys want to see some of my other videos, how I quit smoking, my other tapers, right here. Or entertainment from Brody. I'm Brody from Boston. This is High Chemical Romance. And I love you guys. Stay positive.